Hi, this is Ragini Maheshwari, and my lesson is I am teaching quadrilaterals using the assistive technology. Uh, so my lesson topic and goal is the goal of this lesson is to teach quadrilaterals and their properties, and this is the SOL, the Virginia SOL Standard 7.6, and is designed as part of the quadrilateral unit for 7th graders. The materials that I have put together in this is the projector and a smartboard, the computer, construction paper, laminated booklet for each quadrilateral shape, worksheet, scissors, pencils, markers, Velcro names of the quadrilaterals, picture vocabulary cards, and the document Who Am I? Quadrilateral document. The student activities, so the whole group activities is the BrainPop Junior movie on quadrilateral. Then also I will be displaying the image, or the teacher will be displaying the image of the quadrilateral. So each individual image of the quadrilateral, like rhombus or parallelogram, square, rectangle, all of those. So that will, I'm talking about the characteristics of each of those images. Then the small group activity would be divided into the stations. So there will be 4 stations. The station 1 would be draw about it, like each shape, and then draw about giving the the details. Then the quadrilateral Who Am I activity, wherein the student it's a team game where the student will put on his head the shape without looking at it, and the other student will give the characteristics of that, and the student will have to give the name of the quadrilateral. The station 3 would be the memory game with the shapes and putting all the shapes and giving their characteristics, and the station 4 will be the vocabulary, giving different vocabulary like congruent, the diagonal, and a parallel, all of those vocabulary cards game. All right, so assessment and extension activities. So students will be assessed on their vocabulary knowledge in Desmos, and I'm going to show what that looks like. Then students will draw as many different quadrilaterals that they can with the different properties, quadrilateral family tree, and the quadrilateral art project. So these are some of the extension activities and the assessment activities. So the online product description. So the online product description, I'm going to open it up because I have a link over here in this. So this is a Quizlet flashcard that I made, and this is how it looks like. So I made these cards. There are about 24 of the cards. So if you look at the trapezoid, and when I flip on it, it gives a shape, and it tells that the quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides is a quadrilateral. The good thing about this Quizlet is that they can write. If they want to write, they can also write on this, like they can tell, oh, this is rhombus, for example, and then they just answer that. If this is not correct, then it will tell them, you got to study this one because you did not got that correct. So this is a very nice way of helping and the students when they're taking the test. It can also be read aloud. So if I press this line of symmetry, it talks. So it can also talk to the students. And so the next, if I have to do the next one, sorry, the next one is not coming in this. So this can also read aloud for the students, and if they want to take a test, they can also take a test on it. So this is a very easy and a nice way of learning about the quadrilaterals. There's also the matching game that they have, wherein they can match these different quadrilaterals, and this is really fun. It is timed, so it helps the students to really learn about any topic for that matter, but I made this for the quadrilaterals, and this is my unit. So if you look at it, this is the parallelogram. So if they click on the parallelogram, they get the shape, and they get the so rhombus. Click on the rhombus, that is what it is. Rectangle, click on the rectangle, and this is what There's also a keyboard shortcut. There's also a full screen view that they can view. If they have to spell, they can just spell and say. So they click on that, and they, so if I say square, and it will just say that.
I have 4 congruent sides, 4 right angles, and 2 pairs of parallel sides.
So this is how it tells. So if I need to, for example, do rectangle, I write rectangle, and then
I have 4 congruent sides, 4 right angles, and 2 pairs of parallel sides.
So this is how it just tells. This is really a very nice way for the students to practice the Quizlet Live, and we use it all the time, and it helps the students with different disabilities. So that was my Quizlet flashcard. The other activity online product I have is a Desmos. Who am I? Quadrilateral. So I'm going to click on that, so it will show up. And this is again the self-paced and independent Desmos. And this is what it is. So can you guess the mystery quadrilateral based on the clues given? I can also use the read write with that. If I have to use the read write, then it can just speak, and it can.
Can you guess the mystery quadrilateral based on the clues given? Figure 1. Can you guess this first quadrilateral using the 4 clues?
So this is how it will be. So when it's the next, so figure 1, can you guess this first quadrilateral using the 4 clues? And then this is what my activity is. So I have exactly 4 angles, and they have to select all of those that apply. So they can, I have 4 angles. All of these have 4 angles because, yeah, they all have the 4 angles. And so this is how they have the different clues where they have to, who am I quadrilateral game, that they have to decide and tell the answers. And this is the image, is I'm a square. And then the other one, the other interesting thing about the Desmos is that when I assign this Desmos lesson, which I'm going to assign to my students, they can, when they answer the questions, like they go and they answer the questions, and whatever they answer, I have the options of giving them the feedback. So that is another cool way of doing the Desmos, because the feedback can easily be given and they can hear the feedback using the read write feature. So this is the cool assessment activity that I prepared in Desmos. Next, I will go back onto my slide, which is here. So these are the 2 online products that I have created. After that is my, sorry about that, offline product. So my offline product is a laminated booklet of quadrilaterals, and the booklet I have made it in the Active Inspire, which is online smartboard, and then I will make it in the shape of I will have the laminated version of the booklet, and it starts like this, and it will be all laminated so that the students can write and practice. This is a quadrilateral tree. They can write and they can practice, and they can erase it. It's a parallelogram. These are the characteristics of it. So I've made it in a smart board, and then I've created a PDF so that I could not laminate it because I could not go to the school to do all that. But this is what my laminated booklet of quadrilaterals looks like. After that is the differentiation. So for the students with cognitive disabilities, there's a Google slide with concrete examples, and then there were posters of all of these quadrilateral shapes. Then for the students with physical disabilities, this is a laminated booklet, and also they can use the on-screen keyboard to write if they need to write on the Quizlet Live or on the Desmos. For the sensory disabilities, there are large text, the colors, the laminated quadrilateral shapes, the Velcro names of the shapes, and they have to tell the names, the real life examples. And then I also have a YouTube song, and I'm going to play that YouTube song so that you can just hear a little bit how that sounds like. Oops.
Quadrilateral, a square is one of them, and different sides, and 4 right angles to right arm. Quadrilateral has many shapes as quadrilateral, a parallelogram, opposite sides. Those sides are parallel, right arm, left arm.
So this was a song, the YouTube song for the students with communication disabilities, their online activities, which can all of them be read aloud using the read write. The Desmos can be read aloud, the Quizlet Live can be read aloud, Quizlet Live flashcards. And for the emotional disabilities students, the Quizlet and the Desmos activities or the laminated booklet, they can be independently done. They can do it at their own pace. They can zoom in if they need to zoom in for the larger sizes. So those are all the capabilities that are there in for these students with different disabilities. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and that's about it. Thank you very much for watching.